This video will give you an overview of system data on the RehaStim 2. First, please press the System button on the Start screen of the RehaStim 2. You can navigate with the fourth button on the right and the fourth button on the left between the information tabs Information, System, and Multimed. If you want to upgrade your RehaStim 2 with a new or additional training license for leg training, arm training, sequence training, trigger, or Leto, you will need a key file from HASOMED or one of our distribution partners by email. Load this key file onto an empty USB flash drive. Then, insert the USB flash drive into one of the two USB connections on the left side of the RehaStim 2. Wait until you see the USB symbol on the top of the RehaStim 2 screen, then press the License Import button. The upgrade will only take a few seconds. If you need to change or update the firmware, transfer the unzipped firmware file, FW, to an empty USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive into one of the two USB connections on the left side of the RehaStim 2. Wait until you see the USB symbol on the top of the RehaStim 2 screen. Then press the Firmware Update button. The upgrade will take a few minutes, then the RehaStim 2 will automatically reboot. If you want to change the language, press the Language button on the information screen. After selecting a new language, the RehaStim 2 will automatically reboot and start with the new language. You can adjust the date, time, and brightness of the RehaStim 2 in the System screen. With the Info button, you can find information about the manufacturer, HASOMED GmbH, copyright details, and the libraries used in programming. If you press the Advanced button, you will go to the Advanced System settings. Here, you can back up existing user data for all users. User data can be transferred to a USB flash drive. If you want to restore user data to your RehaStim 2, please connect a USB flash drive with the user data, the RehaStim 2 file installed, and press the corresponding button to restore the user data. You can activate the One User mode by pressing the corresponding button. This is only possible if you have only one user or patient set up in your simulator. After activating the One User mode, you only have access to the training profiles of your patient. We recommend activating One User mode for home users. Deactivate it for clinical or multiple users. Please note that there is no password protection in One User mode. Password protection secures the user data and profiles. If password protection is activated, the user can see the parameter settings, but due to safety reasons, the patient cannot make any changes. Only the therapist is able to make changes in the settings.